Hi everyone, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So welcome back to my channel. So today we'll solve another case study question based on probability. It is in NCERT mathematics as well as applied mathematics class 12. So as I told earlier, you have to read the questions very carefully. Question is, a doctor is to visit a patient. From the past experience, it is known that probabilities that he will come by train, bus, scooter, and by other means of transports are 3 by 10, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, and 7 by 10. The probability that he will come late are 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 12, and 1 by 4. If he comes by train, bus, scooter, the other means of transport respectively, then based on this above information, answer the following. 5 questions will be there. You have to answer any 4 of the questions. Let us read the question again. A doctor is to visit a patient. From the past experience, it is known that the probabilities that it will come by train, bus, scooter, and any other means of transport are respectively 3 by 10, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 7 by 10. The probabilities that he will be late are 1 by 4, he comes by train, 1 by 2 by bus, 1 by 12 by scooter, and 1 by 4 by any other means respectively. Based on this information, you will be asked some questions. You have to answer any 4 out of 5. So the questions are like this. What will be the probability that the doctor comes late? Second part is, the options are 43 by 120, 3 by 10, 13 by 120, 13 by 110. Second is, what will be when the doctor is arrived, it is observed that he is late. What is the probability that he comes by train? The options are 43 by 120, 9 by 43, 12 by 43, 23 by 110. Third part is, when the doctor is arrived, it is observed that he is late. What is the probability that he comes by bus? Options are 43 by 120, 9 by 43, 12 by 43, and 23 by 130. Fourth is, when the doctor is arrived, it is observed he is late. What is the probability that he comes by scooter? The options are 1 by 20, 1 by 43, 1 9 by 43, and 6 by 43. And fifth part is, what is the probability that doctors come on time, provided doctor visits the patient regularly? So if you will manually observe the question 1 and 5th, one is complementary of other. So if you can get part 1 correct, then you can get last part correct. The probability of getting late, the probability of not getting late. So we'll go 1 by 1. The options for fifth part is 43 by 120, 3 by 10, 77 by 120, 27 by 110. So first question, first part. What is the probability you will be late? But what is the probability you will be late? That means you will be late from train, you will late from train, you will late from bus, you will late from your scooter and by any other means. So it is the total probability. So this probability of late is equal to probability of late from train, probability of late from bus, probability of late from scooter, and probability of late from other means. This is same as you know, they are independent. So PL multiplies PL from train plus probability of late into probability of late, probability of train into probability of bus into probability late from bus plus probability of scooter into probability of late from scooter plus probability of other into probability of late from other. Conditional probability. So it will be simply 1 by 3 by 10 multiplies 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 into 1 by 2. 3 by 10 will be multiplied to 1 by 4. 1 by 5 multiplied with 1 by 2. Then 1 by 10 multiplied with 1 by 12. Then 7 by 10 multiplied with 1 by 4. So the answer will be 3 by 40 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 120 plus 7 upon 40. So it will simplify. LCM is your 120. It will be 9. 9 plus this will be a 12 plus 10 plus 21. So this will be 20, 21, 40. 3 by 40 plus 12, 21 plus your 1. This is 1. It's a mistake. This is 1 only plus 21. Now add it. How much we are getting? 43. So 43 by 120 is the answer. So when you will write in MCQ question, no need of writing all the formulas. You can directly go for last expression from here. So A part is the answer. Next. So first one, the answer is your 43 by 120. Now when the doctor is arrived, he is observed to be late. What is the probability? He comes by train. So the total probability is 43 by 120, and when he is late by train condition is late. So this will be probability of train into probability of late from train. So this will be how much? 1 by 4 multiplies 3 by 10 whole upon 43 by 120. So how much it will be? 3 by 40 multiplies 120 by 43. So 3, 9 by 43. 9 by 43 is the answer. Next, when doctor is arrived, it is observed to he is late. What is the probability that he comes by bus? So what is the total sample space? 43 by 120. Now he is late by bus. So probability of bus when he is late. So it will be probability of B into probability of late by bus upon total probability 43 by 120. So what will the answer? We will multiply second one bus, second one. So 1 by 5 multiplies 1 by 2 by 43 by 120. So it will be how much? 1 by 10 upon 43 by 120. So it will be 12 by 43. So C is the answer. So this is becoming NS. You can probability of getting late. If you will understand this one, then all the parts are easy. Next is, so probability of late is equal to 43 by 120. You have to remember. Now when the doctor is arrived, here is late. What is the probability? He comes by scooter. Scooters, that means probability of from the scooter he is late. It is probability of scooter multiplies probability of late from the scooter by total probability, that will be 43 by 120. So probably that means for scooter you will go for third one, because third one is the scooter. So it will be 1 by 10 multiplies by 1 by 12 by 43 by 120. So 1 by 120 upon 43 by 120. So how much you are getting? You are getting 1 by 43. So B is answer. Fifth part. So probability of late is what? Probability of late is 43 by 120. So what is the probability? It is on time. That means it is 1 minus probability of late. So it will be 1 minus late probability is 120. So take LCM, 120 minus 43. That will be your 77 by 120. What is the answer? C is answer. C is answer. Okay, so I am little bit going back to part 1, which is important. This is the important question, part 1. What is the probability of doctor comes late? So what we are doing, I'm explaining a little bit. So probability of late from all the vehicles, it will be same as probability of late from the train, probability late from the bus, probability late from the scooter, probability of late from the other vehicles. So this is same as conditional probability. Probability of train multiplies by probability of late by train. Probability of bus plus probability of bus into probability of late by bus. Probability of scooter into probability of late by scooter plus probability of other vehicles into probability of late from other vehicles. So it will be just 3 by 10 multiplies 1 by 4, 1 by 5 multiplies 1 by 2, 1 by 10 multiplies 1 by 10, 1 by 12, 7 by 10 multiplies 1 by 4. So successively you will add it. Then multiply and add it. Now after getting, if you are finding for the train, just this will be the numerator. And same denominator will be for everything. Now, if question is from bus, second you will write the numerator, denominator will be 43 by 120. If the question is third about scooter, then third you will be the numerator and fourth will be the denominator. And if the question would be by other transport, then fourth will be the numerator and 43 by 120 will be the denominator. So I hope you have understood. So you can pause the video. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing my channel. So very shortly we'll come with